All right, it's the middle of August 2020, and I have the Mystery Tackle box here for the month of August. This is the multi-species box, and I'm down here in the southern region in Texas. So I've been trying to do one of these for the boxes that I get. So I get monster bass and I get Mystery Tackle box. And so as I get these boxes in, I try to do, they just kind of give you an idea of what's in the box every month, what you can expect, maybe give you some tips, tricks, just kind of my evaluation of, if the stuff's good or not. So with that said, let's go ahead and get into the box here. So, as usual, they're going to have, a little what's in the box, the little dribble, but the dibble, I guess is calling it. And it's just got a little bit of, some fun stuff to do, just some information to read. So let's see here. To start this off, we have a Lake Lunkers custom bait, and so this is like a little, it's called a Crappie Crank. So it's a small little lipped crankbait there. It says it dives shallow. I like when they put this on here. So it's shallow diving, about 1 to 3 feet. So it's good to know. Let's see here. Then there is a, what is this? Okay, this is just like a little trout, bass, or pike. I guess like a little spoon. So that's cool. Not everything has to catch monsters, especially like, with what I call, what a lot of people call panfish. These smaller setups are actually good because the fish can't actually eat, some of these larger baits. We got a Bagley here. Let's say crankbait. Let's see, I don't have any information on this. And then let's see here. Here's another Bagley. So this is a balsa shad. So that's a pretty good sized crankbait there. And no information on that one either. It does say that it runs true and can fish further and deeper than before. So I don't know what the depth is on that, but I mean it's a pretty big lip. So I mean that would probably goes down at least 10 feet, something like that. Set of hooks here, 2-aught hooks from Eagle Claw. We've got the Roadrunner by Blackmore. So this is a classic runner. I think I've actually seen this in one of the boxes before. I don't know that I've ever really used it. A lot of the water, like where I'm at here in Texas, is something that says here respectable on large, smallmouth, spotted bass. A lot of the water we have here is stained water, kind of dirty water. So I tend not to throw things that are clear. So I don't know about that one. And then let's see here. Then there is a set of Carl's Amazing Baits, and these are some pretty bright looking things. I don't know. It doesn't really say on here what these are, or what they're supposed to be. But obviously, it's like some sort of a soft plastic that you could rig up. So it doesn't have a recommendation on rigging or anything like that. And then let's see. Here's a couple things down here. The Catchco sticker, the little Where to Fish guide, and this is for the this guy here. And so let's see here. This is one about breaking the bill off, and really just you can pretty much fish this in almost anywhere, I guess, really. And then a junk fishing 101 guide here as well, just kind of walking through kind of where to fish and what to fish where. So that's kind of cool. That's actually pretty useful information there. Oddly enough, I got a replacement box for last month, July. My July box didn't make it on time. It was going all over the great state of Texas here. And they sent me a replacement, and the replacement box didn't have anything in it that the other box, when it finally showed up, had in it. But it did have this Junk Fishing 101, which was interesting that I got that in that box. So that is it for Mystery Tackle box for August 2020.